This video is to show you how to change a complete starter assembly on a K970 rescue saw. Using the screws that comes with your saw, remove the 4 bolts that holds the starter assembly on. Your new assembly, if you look, it has starter dogs that are spring-loaded, and the rope pulley has locks where it locks in. Place the new assembly down in line with the screws. Gently pull until it drops into place. Tighten the screws in an X pattern securely so it does not back out during use of the saw.